So for our FDA exam, the purpose of this is to protect the people. Obviously, FDA regulates food and drug administration, obviously. So if you're bringing in something that is consumable by humans, most likely the FDA is going to have a hand in it. They're going to want to make sure that it's safe to be consumed by humans. And something to keep in mind that a lot of importers are not aware of, even if the item that you have is not intended to be consumed by humans or is not intended to be a food contact, item. So let's say you're importing a decorative plate. If that plate could be something that has food on it, FDA wants to know about it. So that's just something to keep in mind. This is kind of like the USDA review. It could be anywhere from a document review to a hold intact intensive exam. Pretty similar timetable depending on what's sampling. And again, the fees are going to depend on what needs to be done and where it's at.